Hello, hello, hello. This is Sammy J. Welcome back to the channel. Well, this session is going to be specifically about initial thoughts of using the Bambu P1S printer. Again, I'm a new user. I'm in the photography arena, and I want to show you just my initial. If you're a photographer or any other hobby, it doesn't really matter. Just initial shots. Join us on this channel, and let's go. Months of research and watching YouTube like this about 3D printing because it's about 35 millimeter and accessories for the photography in general. So I needed to print something that doesn't exist to fix some things and enhance some cameras that I have. So that's what inspired me on this journey to go the route of 3D printing. So I just want to sum it up. Again, this is my own point of view. There's a lot of printers out there and people talking about different ones, but I'm just going to give you the bottom line. If you're just starting into this and you want hassle-free, something guaranteed to work out of the box, the Bambu, frankly, the Bambu printers are top-notch. I mean, there's others there in the industry. I mean, if you're using something different than Bambu, or you had a Bambu and you bought the Prusa, or you bought Creality, or I've seen a couple of other brands, put your comments there and let's have a discussion. But as of right now, me using this printer just for a few days, believe me, it's awesome. The P1S, and there's also the X1C. It's a little bit more professional. The Bambu definitely delivers. It's flawless. Again, my point of view, as we go on this journey, we might find some issues. We'll discuss them with you. So follow this channel, support us, and we'll talk about it. So what's at a minimum, what do you need when you get this Bambu printer? Frankly, you don't need a whole lot. Everything comes with it. But me watching some other videos about modding and add this and add that, I mean, then you end up adding a screen and a light bar and shoot in the back and doing this and doing that, and then it becomes about the machine itself. Frankly, I'm going to be concerned on this channel. We're going to be concerned about photography and maybe other things related to photography and hobbies. The output of the printer. Let's enjoy the output. What can we print something new? What can we design together? If you have some suggestion, put them in the comments. And then we can print those and share them with the community. Again, there's nothing wrong with modding. You want to enhance the product, that's fine, but then you end up just buy one already enhanced, like they got the X1C. It has a improved systems altogether. You can do that and just buy that one. Again, nothing against modding. If you want to do that, that's fine too. But I'm just not gonna spend a lot of time doing that. I just don't see a lot of value in that. And I mean, I printed a bunch of tools here. I still use a bunch of tools, and I haven't used one of them yet. But maybe I will in the future. I want to change this and change that. So, but one specific tool that I think it is useful, and it's not a mod, it's an addition for any Bambu or any 3D printer enthusiast or hobbyist or professional, doesn't matter, is these silica boxes. I live in a humid area, and even though it's contained, it has an AMS, it's contained, you need these. You just print 3 of these, and everything we're talking about here, we'll put it in the comments. And also today I just printed also a funnel to put the silica. Again, here's the silica that you need. I got the, you don't need a whole lot, 10 pounds, because these are reusable. Get the 2 pound or 1 quart. Again, everything we're talking about is going to be in the description. Get the 2 pound or the 2 quarts and fill these up. If you're going to try to fill them up without the funnel, you're going to make a mess. So get the funnel, print the funnel, print 3 of these, and you don't need to print one with they have an indicator here or humidity indicator. You don't need that because the Bambu has it built in anyway. So 3 of these, get the funnel, There is orange and blue. I like this one. It's blue, and when it loses, effectiveness, it turns out to be, I think, yellow or pink. So from blue to pink. So blue is good, pink is bad. So when you put them in here, they're going to be blue. They're going to be dark. So they're going to match. And eventually, when they turn pink, I mean, you got to just look at the printer, and you're going to see pink color here. Take them out, put them in a plate, spread them in a plate, put them in a microwave for 3-4 minutes, and they become effective again. Loading these silica boxes. And here's the silica I just mentioned to you guys. The blue, it turns pink when it's exhausted. I like this funnel because it fits snug in here. See if this one works. Beautiful. I don't see how you can do this without the funnel. You're gonna have silica all over the place. And now you can even tell it's the blue is dark in here. So when it turns to pink, it's gonna be easily try to see it from the Bambu printer. As you can see, we put them in here, so need to take these out for this to go in here. So I already put 2 here. I'm going to show you how I do the third one. You just raise this and then raise this one and slide it in here. It fits perfectly. Put these rings back, the filaments. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3. You close it, lock it, and now you got as much humidity out of this unit as possible. Silica, and not just any silica. It needs a silica gel, blue indicating, and they make sure they're rechargeable. Microwave, it says 10 minutes in microwave at defrost. So not just don't put 10 minutes and go. It's 10-minute defrost. Or if you want the oven, it's 2 hours at 250 degrees. No, just do it in the microwave. Again, this is it's called dry, blue indicating silica, and then 3 of these boxes. And don't forget the funnel, because you're doing this with this. It's whatever is in your house, in your room, your office, or warehouse. You're gonna have a mess, and these things are hard. They're gonna roll. They're gonna go underneath everything, furniture, and then if you have a pet, I don't know, you can't eat silica, I guess. So that's my first impression: is you need get the humidity out of the filaments, even though it's contained in AMS, and I haven't had any issues, but just be safe than sorry. So that's my first impression, is the Bambu P1S. So far so good. It's 15 minutes to put it together, and you can follow the channel. I have one specific video about unboxing the darn thing, and this is a journey. We're gonna just learn together and move on, and start printing stuff and show what we're printing, what we're designing, and for the cameras and other hobbies, and how they fit, they don't fit, they're smooth, up, etc. Because frankly, the 35mm cameras, they just don't make them anymore. I mean, what they're making right now, there is like 2, 3, Fuji, and there's a couple of other brands, and Rolly, I think, and a couple of other brands that they're making new ones, but there's parts for those. But you buy a camera that's 20, 30, 40, even 50 plus years old, like the Canonette QL17. I got one of those, so follow the channels. I'm gonna do an open box for that. I got it from Japan. They say it's near mint. We'll see when we open the box. Again, the Canonette QL17 G3. This is a beautiful camera. There's no parts for that. Even if you buy an old one, the part's gonna be old and rusty, and the plastic is brittle and all that stuff. So the 3D printing for camera parts is godsend, like they say. So any suggestions, any recommendation, put them in the comments. Again, 3D printing saves the day for camera parts, especially for Canon, Olympus, anything. Anyways, follow the channel, give me some suggestions, and then tell me your experience with Bambu or Prusa or any other 3D printer. Are you considering to buy another one? Are you, you know, is Bambu in the long run is the great way to go? Or you ended up buying Bambu and in 3 months you went to X1C or you went to Prusa or you're expanding. I mean, I had just this for a few days and I can tell you I need another one because one thing they don't tell you is like when you print something like this, it takes like 2, 3, 4, 5, sometimes 12 hours. So, you know, if you want to print several items and it'll take you days and months, am I mistaken? I mean, let me know. Is your printing take is 15, 20 minutes? I don't think so. This took 19 minutes for this little funnel. So 3D printing is exciting, it's beautiful, it solves a lot of issues, it helps us with our hobbies and businesses and other things, but it takes time. So I think I'm gonna get another one for sure, but you're gonna need more than once. That's why if you go on YouTube and other social media outlets, you see the 3D printing farms is taken off right now. People, you know, renting warehouses and putting 50 and you know, going and blowing it with, you know, business ventures and stuff like that. If you're a hobbyist, I think one or two maybe, don't go crazy. But you know, we said that the same thing about the 35 millimeter camera. Then you can see behind me, I got like 19 so far. Again, like we said, if you follow this channel, you're in a journey. You're on the train from A to Z. Enjoy the ride and have fun. 35 millimeter photography. It's more fun, guaranteed. See you later.